Magnesium carbonate is white monoclinic crystal or amorphous powder, non-toxic, odorless, stable in air, slightly soluble in water. Magnesium carbonate ball press is a good partner of the material. The ball press has good wear resistance, is fully understand the development direction of the pier, set all the advantages of the same kind of ball press, fully use a variety of mature technology to develop a new generation of products. The machine strong steel. The press roll is forged with wear-resistant alloy, and the bearing is made of rolling mill bearing and tempering treatment. The hydraulic system is supported by regular big factories, which is widely used. It can produce various kinds of materials and powder pressing ball and block, such as magnesium carbonate, magnesium carbonate pellets, magnesium carbonate particles, as well as non-ferrous metal industry powder, auxiliary materials, especially suitable for high added value materials.